Okay, just we're going to reiterate the top points here again. Okay, so to instantly improve your singing, posture, nice and straight and relaxed. Not necessarily the number one. These are all together. Okay. Our principle, less down low, more up top principle. That's to do with your mouth and support and volume. Okay. So less down low, more up top. Look at your mouth in the mirror. Look at your whole body in the mirror if you can, because you're going to see what's happening. You're going to see what your mouth's doing, your neck's doing, your diaphragm, your breathing, your shoulders, everything. So have a look at what you're doing. Look in the mirror. You're going to get a lot of points from looking in the mirror. Breath support, really important. Again, less down low, more up top. Okay, keep it relaxed down low. Do more up top. Remember to finish off your last word. The last word's the most important one. Listen closer to your favourite singers. Learn from the greats, whatever that is. Even if you're doing sport, watch Michael Jordan if you want to become a basketball player. Listen to your favourite people. Try to emulate what they're doing and try to do it to the best of your ability. Choose songs that are within your skill level. Keep it fun. We don't want to be going, oh God, I've been working on this one high note for 4 weeks. I can't get it. Let's do something that's a little bit lower, as I said, with train. Record and analyse yourself so you've got a documentation of what you're doing. If this is not getting improvement, seek professional help. Yes.
And those are the 5,000 little things that you need to control.
Not like that, yeah. But again, remember when you analyse yourself, focus on one point.
Yeah.
Just focus on the point that you think is the worst.
And most importantly, don't quit. Don't give up.
Work ethic.
Don't give up. Keep going.
Work. All right, Em.
Work.
Let's sign off here. Thank you very much, Em. Really appreciate
it.
Nice having you. And guys, we'll see you singing hopefully up on stage. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below or get in contact with us on any social media and we'll be sure to get back to any of your questions. If we think the question is a ripper, we will make a video for you. Signing off. Thanks, Sam. High five.
Woo!
See you guys.
Talk soon.
Bye-bye.